a.m. this morning, the National Weather Service in Upton has issued a dense fog advisory, which is in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Locations: northeastern New Jersey. Hazards: dense fog visibilities 1/4 mile over times. Timing: until 9 a.m. this morning. Impacts: reduced visibilities making driving hazardous. A dense fog advisory means visibilities will frequently be reduced to 1/4 mile or less. If driving, slow down, use your low beam headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you in case a sudden stop is needed. For the following areas in Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex and northern New London, and the following areas in New York: Putnam, northern Westchester, southern Westchester, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Nassau, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Dense fog advisory remains in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Locations: portions of the lower Hudson Valley, southern Connecticut, and eastern Long Island. Hazards: dense fog visibilities 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: until 9 a.m. this morning. Impacts: reduced visibilities making driving hazardous. For the following area in New Jersey: Hunterdon, dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a dense fog advisory, which is in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Locations: west central New Jersey. Visibilities: fog will reduce the visibility to 1/4 mile or less at many locations. Impacts: driving will be difficult, and where visibilities are lowest it will be hazardous. Fog is expected to affect the morning commute. A dense fog advisory means visibilities will frequently be reduced to less than 1/4 mile. If driving, slow down, use your headlights on the low beam setting, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. For the following areas in New Jersey: Morris, Somerset, Middlesex, western Monmouth and eastern Monmouth. Dense fog advisory remains in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Locations: north central and central New Jersey. Visibilities: fog will reduce the visibility to 1/4 mile or less at many locations. Impacts: driving will be difficult, and where visibilities are lowest it will be hazardous. Fog is expected to affect the morning commute.